This bird had been trapped inside a fruit for a long time. When this man discovered it, he carefully rescued the bird. It looked very tired and weak. He then placed the bird in his car and took it home. After arriving home, he introduced the bird to his beloved dog. He gently cleaned the bird and gave it some food. After feeding it, he took the bird up to the rooftop. Once there, he encouraged it to try flying again. Soon, the bird started to fly. It looked completely healthy and full of energy. The bird even performed a few little tricks to impress the man. Before long, the two formed a very special friendship. Does this sweet little bird deserve a life?